what do we have here? A box inside a box with a bike. A bike from, there we go, now you can see it, from a brand you know I like, Lectric. They've never released anything that I didn't think was fun and or well made. This is their latest bike, the XPeak. Interesting to me for a couple of reasons. First, they're calling this an e-mountain bike. Second, this is the first Lectric, at least modern Lectric, since the XP series that isn't folding in any way. So I couldn't wait to give this a go. And recently they had a media event. They invited people out. You may have already seen some videos that showed off the XPeak. You may have seen this particular XPeak because it was part of the media event. They decided since I couldn't make it to that event, they were going to do the next best thing, and they sent me one of the bikes. But here's the thing. The day I received this bike, I also received an email from Lectric, and it documented 35 changes that they've made to the bike for the production model, which comes out, I think, around the first of the year. So I've started looking at these. Some of them are trivial, like the graphics and the colors have changed. That's fine, even though I think that looks pretty good. But some of them, from a mountain biker perspective, very important to me, like the seat tube has been slackened by 1 degree. The fork springs, that's a suspension fork. The spring rates have changed. The controller box, or controller compartment they called it, and the speed controller, the bottom bracket width. I don't know if I mentioned the battery had been moved up by 15 millimeters, changing weight distribution. Look, there's so much that has changed that I see on the list, 35 things. Some of them, I mean, about 7 of them, are very critical to me. I've decided this just kind of looks like an XPeak, and it's not really representative, or how I would view representative of a shipping bike. So I'm gonna send this back to Lectric. They've already sent me a label, and they've agreed they're gonna wait until they get the production bikes and then send me one, and then I'll review it. Look, I really care. My viewers, I wanna make sure I give you as accurate of information about new bikes as I can, and sometimes I do get prototypes, and that is awesome. But when I see so many changes, sometimes I just have to make decisions. I hope I'm making the right one here because I would like to really give this a go, and I know so many people have. I'll put a link to this down in the description. But let me tell you, I'm kind of at war right now with YouTube and my affiliate links. They've started removing a lot of them, even though I don't violate any of their policies, and they just won't talk with me about it. So I'm going to try to get that fixed, so by the time you see this video, maybe it'll be an affiliate link. If not, I'll just link straight to Lectric's website and put a link to the new XPeak. So you can take a look at it. I want you to have all the information about bikes. This one I do expect to be as fun, if not more fun, than every other Lectric XP that they've released. That's today's video. Be sure to comment below. Have you seen anything about this XPeak? And what do you think about my decision? Seeing 35 changes. Is it a good call to not review this one and send it back and just wait it out, even though, you know, from a YouTuber perspective, waiting is, well, it's not in our strong suits. You want to get stuff out early. That's my decision, though, and I'm going to leave it with you. Comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Now, time to go to the shipper and get this sent back. Thanks for watching.